Experiencing a stuck loading screen in Roblox can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other websites or games. Step 2. Clear browser cache or app data. If you are playing Roblox in a browser, clear your browser's cache. If using the Roblox app, go to your device settings and clear the app data. This can help remove any corrupted files that may be causing the loading issue. Step 3. Update Roblox. Make sure you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Check for updates in the App Store or through the Roblox website, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using up bandwidth or system resources. This can help improve the performance of Roblox and reduce loading times. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can resolve loading issues. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh your system, allowing Roblox to load properly. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce the chances of encountering a stuck loading screen in Roblox. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.